What's up guys, this is Locky Cubes. Today I'm going to be making an unboxing video on the new YJ Guansu 4x4 and some others. Alright, so now we're going to start to open up everything that's in here. Alright, so first things first, we have a nice mat. So we're going to take this out and we're going to unwrap it. Alright, so it looks really nice. I am going to replace that with my WCA mat right now. Looks really nice. And there also is the Zen 3 things, so you can stick your timer in. It looks really nice. Also, we have a cubicle cover. It's right here. I'll put this together right now. So also, this is the Moyu Alto, which is my current 4x4 main. And what I bought was the new YJ 4x4 Guansu. Also a business card and some receipt that I'm not going to show. Alright, so time to open up this Guansu. Alright. Immediately we have the booklet. I don't really think I need to read this because I already know how to solve the 4x4, hence my Alto main. So apparently there was no special plastic or packaging around this cube, but first turns. Okay, so out of the box, it's a little bit locky, because I'm Locky Cubes, but, you know, it locks up a lot. Now, I think if you lube it with Traxxas and maybe just break it in a little bit, it'll obviously go away. Slices are incredibly fast, though. If you look at the L2, it's a lot more smooth. But that's just because I lubed it. Now, also this has a different sound to it. Has a nice crunchy feel. Gives off a very light feedback. Let's check out the corner cutting of this. Right, so the corner cutting seems a little bit weak. Only half a cube or so. Yeah, and then, yeah, the corner cutting is a little bit weak on this cube. The video here was directly right when the package came, and it was more of an out-of-the-box feel. Obviously, now I've broken it in, and this cube is completely different. It doesn't lock up, and it's a lot quicker, and I really recommend that everyone buys it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you could like, comment, subscribe, it would be very much appreciated. Take care.